Hey y'all, and welcome back to another Clean the Food Truck with Me edition. I guess that's what we're going to call this. I don't know. Anyhow, we got the hood clean last time. It's actually the same day here, but different videos, so it's not the same day for you, if that makes sense. Either way, today we're going to clean the griddle, the cooking area-ish thing. The oven, the griddle, the burners, all this stuff here. Feel like it's going to take a while. So all we're going to do is pretty much show you kind of the process we're going through. Like I said before in many videos, I'm new to all this. I've been looking at a lot of videos online on how to clean this griddle. As you see, it's very, very nasty. You're going to see that even more here in a little bit. You've seen how nasty the griddle hood was. Imagine how nasty this is going to be. Or we're going to find out how it's going to be. But anyhow, I could talk about this all day long, what we're going to do and how we're going to do it or whatever. But let's just get right into it and get to cleaning this thing. Like I just mentioned, I mean, look how clean this griddle hood is now compared to what it was. Well, you've seen it in another video. If you didn't, be sure to go back and check that out. But right now, we have to clean up this mess of a griddle. That is not supposed to be solid black like that. And as you can see, the burners here have been kind of neglected. A little bit. Let's see what else we got going on here. Oh boy. Grease trays. Not looking too good. Let's look in the oven real quick before we get going here. It's kind of hard to see in there, but actually the oven's not that bad. I don't think the oven's ever been used, but it does need a good cleaning. So yeah, we got our work cut out for us. So I guess we're going to start off with just kind of scraping everything down and just trying to clean it up here. As you see, it's a crusty mess. That's coming off fairly easy though. Kind of satisfying too, I got to admit, to watch that. I wish the whole griddle be that easy to clean. Another thing I would like to show y'all is we do have some running water out here, and we have hot water. And we can kind of soak this stuff in with some Dawn dish detergent. As you see, our heater is going over here. So that really helps out to have hot water right here as we're cleaning. Oh yeah, it's making a difference already. Hard to tell. Maybe it's hard to tell. I can see it. Yeah. Big difference. Yeah, you can kind of see a little better right there. Well, we got the top clean and we got the backsplash back here clean. Now we got to tackle this griddle. And with the help of Tootie, we're gonna clean it. Ain't that right, Tootie?
Yeah.
Yep. She don't want to be on camera because she's too cool for that, but that's all. You're gonna see her lovely hands.
Like chocolate milk was made on here.
Like chocolate milk was made on there. It might have been. Might have been. So we're gonna scrape off all the gunk or whatever we can to begin with here. And then we're going to heat it up and use the grill brick. Yeah, it's pretty nasty right there. Right? See that seasoning popping up?
Is that bad?
Well, yeah, it's not supposed to be on there. It's supposed to be a stainless steel griddle. Alright, we kind of got the backsplash cleaned up. Got the griddle scraped off. Now we're going to heat it up, put down a little bit of oil, and use a grill brick and see how much that helps. Alright, she's going to put down some oil now. Some Earl. That's good. I don't know how much we need, but let's try that right now. Alright, get it scrubbing. Got some big grill brick right here. Let's just start scrubbing.
That's not going to be good.
Yes, that's what you want. You want it to be really abrasive and scrub it. Let me get into it. Scrub that thing.
It's not doing nothing.
Yeah, it is. Believe it or not, it is. It's scrubbing. Put a little more oil. There you go. It may not look like it's doing something, but trust me, you start washing that oil up, you're going to see a difference. It's just going to take a while to get it clean. Well, we got some of the grill brick done. Oh, I see the difference already. Wow. Maybe some hope for this griddle after all. We're going to clean it off real quick and probably do it again. Oh, that is nasty. That is nasty. Alright, we're going to go down and scrape some more oil on the griddle. And keep on scrubbing. So we've got the scraper now. Trying to break up some of that really big gunk back here in the back. Oh yeah. There's a big difference in this. A lot of elbow work just getting done. Well, not going to finish all this in one day, but we got a lot done today. I mean, as you've seen in the previous video, the hood got cleaned very well, as you can see. But now we kind of started working tonight on this video on the griddle area. And this griddle, y'all, it looks so much different than when we first started. But we have a lot more to go. We still got to work on these burners over here. And just the overall outside of the unit. As you see, it's still pretty nasty. Still got a lot to clean, but that's okay. So all that means is, well, we got more content to make, so there'll be more videos coming. Let me know, like previously I said in the other video about cleaning, let me know if you're enjoying it. Let me know if what you want to see, how to clean, whatever we're doing. Leave me tips and tricks. So for those of you out there with food trucks and trailers, help me out. Help a brother out here. I'm new. I'm trying to learn this as I go. Watching a lot of videos, looking up stuff on Google, and just learning. But it's a whole lot of fun. And also, I have to give a shout out to Mr. Beast. Because without him, this never would have became a reality. Thank you, Mr. Beast. Thank you to everybody out there who's supporting us. There'll be a lot more videos coming. And we'll see you next time.